If you're looking for a reliable antivirus in 2026 and don't want to pay full price, this video is for you. Right now, you can get Bitdefender at a discounted price using an active Bitdefender coupon code, and I'll show you how to use it. I've placed the official Bitdefender coupon link in the description and in the pinned comment. Just click that link, and the discount is applied automatically. No code to copy or paste. So, why is Bitdefender worth grabbing with a coupon? Bitdefender is one of the most trusted antivirus brands in the world and consistently ranks at the top in independent security tests. It's known for very strong malware and ransomware protection while keeping your system fast and responsive. It works across all major platforms, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone. So one subscription can cover all your devices. Everything runs quietly in the background without annoying pop-ups or constant alerts. Because Bitdefender is a premium antivirus, buying it without a discount can be expensive. That's why using a coupon code makes a big difference. You get the same full protection, just at a much lower price. To get the deal, simply use the Bitdefender coupon link in the description or the pinned comment. Choose the plan that fits you best, and the discounted price will show up at checkout. So if you want top-tier antivirus protection and don't want to overpay, this Bitdefender coupon is one of the best security deals available right now. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more coupon codes, software deals, and cybersecurity tips.